afternoon, evening, Team Teezy. What's going on? I am headed to the shop. I took the day off today from work to catch up on some YouTube projects that I've been meaning to drop lately. Been feeling like I've been shooting a lot, but I haven't been like having time to edit them. So I took today off to make sure that I could edit some stuff up. And now Jamal just texted me, the owner of Champions, texted me and said that he bought me a new chair, which is extremely dope because some of you guys know my chair right now is broken. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it doesn't recline back. So shift here. Anyways, yeah, so I'm headed to the shop, gonna help him build that. I also need to grab my clippers because although I did not cut any hair in the shop today, I'm gonna do some house calls later. So that'll make me some money today, and then it's back to the house. I got a turkey breast, something in the slow cooker. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm driving right now. I don't want to vlog too long, but hello, welcome to the vlog. If you're not a part of the team, hit the red subscribe button, and also new thing, make sure you guys turn on the bell notifications so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. You dig? So let's go. Okay, so I just got to the shop and I wasn't gonna do any haircuts here, but there was a walk-in, so I might as well grab them. My chair is in the back, it needs to be put together. I'm excited, so we're gonna cut my man's hair here, and then we're gonna get back to setting up the new chair. So let's go. Okay, so change of plans. I'm gonna take off and go do my house calls because Jamal said he has some stuff to do before he gets up here to do this new chair. I possibly might not even be getting the new chair. I guess he does new chairs by seniority, so Abdul will be the one to get the chair. Unless he does not want it, then it goes to you boys. So we're gonna find out. Either way, I just really want a chair that works. That's all I really care about. So now we're about to leave and go do some house calls. I tried this new Rockstar Killer Citrus. Pretty good, not bad. But yeah, so I'm about to take off, go do some house calls. So let's see what that look like. Let's go. Okay, so we just got to the house call. Got 3 heads to do. And we're back on the road. So three house. Wait, hold up. Okay, 3 heads to do here. I gotta go do 1 more, and then we'll see where we go. What y'all doing up in here?
Not drugs?
What?
Oh crap, what's up?
I didn't say that.
What's up, puppy?
Get that off.
What's up, puppy?
You know.
Young Zeke?
No, man.
Young Mill in the building?
I'm here, man, you know. Good to see you. What's going on,
man? What's going on? Hello. Okay, so my boy Young Mill owns a visuals company, Aeon Visuals. So I'm gonna have him take over the camera while I cut. And get some little cutaways and some B-roll and some footage. So the footage you're about to see is compliments of this man.
Oh, you already know.
Let's go.
Appearance, you already know, man. Get my cut too. You know,
man, we're doing 1, 2, and we started on 3.
4, 5,
3. Let's get to it.
It's 8:30 a.m. We at the shop. I'm bumping. I'm trying to get myself pumped up for the day. It's crazy. It's a Saturday, and it's just me and KK today. We finna get it in. It's a money day today. So this vlog will be incredibly short because I'm gonna be busy as hell, but I'm gonna try to vlog how busy we actually are. So stay tuned. I do not own the copyrights to the music in the background, but I'm bumping. So good morning, I'm here. It's 8:30 a.m. We don't open until 9. I gotta switch out my chair. Let's go. If you're not a part of the team, hit the red subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, so a little update on the day. It's freaking crazy. You guys can see it. So we have an appointment. Me and KK are both booked out fully today, and we have all those walk-ins to try to squeeze in. But my main TJ just got hooked up. Check this out. Ooh, snazzy, snazzy. You dig? Closer to the end of the night. Do you guys remember the boys that cut all their hair off? They back. He's trying to woof and get some waves. I did a fire crop on my boy. Check the texture. Check the texture. Check the fit and aid. Boom.
Don't do that.
Don't do that with a sucker in your mouth, though.
I'm sexy as hell.
Okay. So big sis KK killed it today with your boy. We got it in today. This is the aftermath of my station when I do fucking 25 heads. 25 heads. KK did 25. And I'm tired, yo. This is just aftermath, yo. Yo, so I'm finna go home. KK going to get some food, and then she going home. Yes, sir. But I'm sorry about this extremely short vlog, but your boy was getting it in today. I'm sorry, but
hey, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Styles by KK, STYLESBYKAYKAY.
See, she spelled it out. I'm just gonna put it on the screen. It's a lot easier. But make sure y'all follow the homegirl KK though. But yeah, so I'm finna sweep up all this mess and pack up my clippers because I got house calls to do tomorrow. Maybe tonight. I'm gonna see how I feel. But anyways, if you're not a part of the team, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also hit the little bell right next to it. Turn on the notifications so you get updates whenever I drop a video.
Hey, go subscribe to King Nas too.
Plug.
King Nas. Go subscribe to King Nas. Instagram is official_King Nas. Kid from Atlanta.
I'll put it right there again, you know. Plug. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Hey, you gotta